You are now ready for step 3. And in step 3, you're going to take all of the data on all of the sheets in step 2 and get them onto one page so they are easy to see. Step 3 is what you will submit before we meet to discuss your chart summary and what the data mean. So let's look at what this means. Here is this, on the right is the sample of step 2, and on the left is the sample of step 3. So in step 2, you have the percent correct and the percent incorrect. We want to put these over on this other sheet. And we have incorrect percentage and incorrect percentage pre and post. So if we take 22.45%, this is question 1, grades 9, 10, 22.45%. Got it right on the pretest, and on the post-test, 25.45% got it correct. The incorrect is 77.55, and on the incorrect post-test, 74.55. Grades 11, 12 are the next one. We have 60% got it correct on the pretest. And 75% got it correct on the post-test. And then incorrect, we have 40% got it incorrect. And 25 got it incorrect on the post-test. Then we have the total. We have 35.1.4% got it correct on the pretest, and 46.32% got it correct on the post-test. And then on the people who got it incorrect, 64.86% got it incorrect on the pretest, and 53.68% got it incorrect on the post-test. So what we're going to look at, even though you have the pre and post-test scores here, what we're going to look at is just the correct percentages, okay? The directions say if the post-test scores increase over the pre-test scores by more than 5%, that's green. So we saw this is an increase of more than 5%. We're going to color it green. This is an increase of more than 5%. We're going to color it green. It says if the post-test scores decrease over pre-test scores by more than 5%, that would be red. And we don't have anything here that would be red. If the post-test scores are within 5% over and 5% under, that's yellow. So what we have just done is we have taken all of question 1 and put it into one chart that shows that for grades 9, 10, there was barely any change on question 1. On grades 11, 12, there was an increase in question 1. And in the total, there was an increase in question 1. So you're going to do this for questions 1, 2, and 3. You're going to take the information from step 2. This is step 2. So you're going to take the information from step 2 and you're going to put it into the chart in step 3. Then this chart of questions 1, 2, and 3 will go in your reflection for Unit 3, and it will also go in your final paper. So here, the first page shows the sample. The second page gives you space to do question 1, 2, and 3 using your data. And if you have other things that you're comparing, you would put it at the bottom. If you have questions, make sure you ask. The purpose of this chart is to get all of the information you have into one page. So when we meet, we are only looking at one page. All your information will be on this one page, and this is what we will do. This is what we will use when we meet with you. And that concludes step 3.